Pizzas are something that we all love and drool over. Making pizza at home from scratch is easy but time consuming. But today's recipe is for those untimely cravings when you don't have the time to make pizza from scratch. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today's recipe is an instant veg pan pizza. Since I'll make the pizza in a pan, you don't need to worry of having a micro oven. So let's get started. To make instant pan pizza, you need ready-made pizza base. This is the medium sized one. You can get a smaller one or a bigger one. I have chopped onions and chopped capsicum. Along with capsicum, you can also use red and yellow bell peppers if you want. Next ingredient that I have here is sweet corn. You can use the boiled sweet corn or the frozen ones. Next I have Italian seasoning and pepper powder. So if you don't have Italian seasoning, you can use only oregano. You can also use chili flakes instead of pepper powder. And of course the star of the show, grated cheese. Here I am using processed Amul cheese. You can use pizza cheese or mozzarella cheese. So for 2 medium-sized pizzas, I have grated this amount of cheese. This quantity you can alter depending on how much cheesy you want your pizza to be. For the pizza spread, I have used Szechuan chutney and veg mayonnaise. You can use the ready-made pizza spread, but I personally prefer this mixture over the ready-made pizza spread. So as you can see, here I have taken almost equal amount of Szechuan chutney and mayonnaise and mixed it together to form the pizza spread. If you love it more spicy, you can increase the amount of Szechuan chutney or decrease the amount of mayonnaise. The pizza spread looks like this after I had mixed the mayonnaise with the Szechuan chutney. Now heat up a pan and add a dollop of butter to just saute the vegetables. Here I'll saute the vegetables for a minute and a half because my pizza base is already baked. But if you are making pizza from scratch, then you need not do this step. That is because your pizza base will also be raw, and by the time your pizza base will cook, all the vegetables will also be cooked. But here if I add raw onions and capsicum to my cooked base, the onion and capsicum will be more crunchy and undercooked, which I don't prefer. I'll saute the onions in the butter for a few seconds before I add the capsicum and the sweet corn. As you can see here, the onions are nice and soft. Now I'm going to add the capsicum followed by the sweet corns. Give everything a quick mix and then add little pepper and Italian seasoning. Our veg topping for the pizza is ready. Now it's time to assemble the pizza and bake it in the pan. To assemble the pizza, take a pizza base and spread the amount of sauce you want on your pizza base. Once that is done, take the vegetable mixture of onion, capsicum and sweet corn and spread a generous amount on the pizza. Make sure that you spread the mixture to the sides as well. But a word of caution, don't overload your pizza, otherwise your bread will break. Now you may add chili flakes if you want it spicy and add the Italian seasoning on top of it. Finally, it's time to load your pizza with lots of cheese. After you are done with all the toppings and ingredients, gently place your pizza on a heated pan. Make sure that your pan is on low heat. Cover the pizza and wait until the base is nice and golden and the cheese melts. Okay, so now you can see the cheese has melted nicely over the pizza and the base also got a cooked look rather than the white raw one. Your instant veg pan pizza is ready and served. Grab and eat it instantly and satisfy your untimely cravings with this instant and quick recipe. For topping, you can use anything of your choice, starting from chicken, sausage, paneer, corn. So I have used a very basic topping of onion, capsicum and sweet corn. I hope you enjoyed this quick and delicious recipe, and if you have, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And until we meet again, do take care and bye bye.